around and help her forest friends. One sunny morning, Lila decided it was a perfect day to spread kindness. She hopped off to see who might need her help. Hop, 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 I will go round. Kindness makes the world go round. If a friend needs help today, I'll be there right away. Benny, why do you look so sad?
My basket tipped over and now my berries are all over the ground.
I'll help you. Pick them up.
Thank you, Lila. You're so kind and sweet. Helping friends is so much fun. You make my day complete.
Lila waved goodbye to Benny and kept happy. Lila waved goodbye to Benny and kept happy. Soon, she heard a deep voice calling from a nearby bush. Soon, she heard a deep voice calling from a nearby bush. Leo, what's wrong?
My mane is tangled. I can get it to look nice.
Don't worry, I'll help you untangle it.
Lila the rabbit is so kind, so kind, so kind. Helping friends is what she does, is one of a kind. Thank you, Lila. I feel much better now.
You're welcome, Leo. After helping Leo, Lila heard a soft sound nearby. Tara, are you okay?
My feet are tired from running. I want to play but I can't run fast.
Let's take a little break together.
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray.
Hooray!
Kindness makes the world so bright. Friends like you feel just right. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray.
Hooray! Lila and Tara continue to relax when they hear a chattering sound above them. Lila and Tara continue to relax when they hear a chattering sound above them. Mamo, what's wrong?
I lost my favorite banana. I can't find it anywhere.
Let's look for it together. I found it!
Lila help us one by one, one by one. Oh, what's fun with each act of kindness share. We show the love that we all care.
As Lila and her friends celebrate, they notice Daisy the deer dancing in the meadow. Hi Daisy! Your dance is beautiful!
Thank you, but I want to dance with my friends.
Let's all dance together!
Lila is so kind and sweet, kind and sweet, kind and sweet. With her friends I feel so great, together we can meet.
Yay! Just then, Felix the fox comes bouncing in with a basket.
Everyone, I brought some tasty treats for all of you.
What did you bring, Felix?
I brought berries and some yummy snacks. Do you know the fox named Felix? Felix, he brought yummy snacks for us to share with all our friends.
Feeling happy, the friends decide to celebrate their acts of kindness. Let's have a picnic to celebrate our kindness. not to eat.
I bought berries.
I brought some meat.
And I brought some bananas.
I brought fresh leaves.
Yummy!
Yummy, that's so tasty.
As the sun begins to set, Lila's friends gather around her.
Lila, Lila, you're so kind.
A better friend we could not find. Helping others big and small. You're the best friend of all. Oh, thank you everyone. Kindness makes us all happy. Let's keep spreading it every day. Yay! And so, Lila's Big Kindness Day ended with lots of smiles and laughter. Remember, even small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Ta-da!
Anna's everyday routine. In the morning light, the sun peeks in with sleepy eyes and a cheerful grin. Brush the teeth, wash the face, pajamas off, a favorite place. Breakfast time with laughter shared, a bowl of cereal, love declared. Off to school with friends so dear, learning and playing, spreading cheer. Home again for snacks and play. Homework's wait with dinner display. At night falls, it's time for bed. With the stories and dreams filling their head. And each routine is sparked so bright. And Anna's heart, the world feels right. And each routine I spark so bright. In Anna's heart, the world feels right. Our best friend. A dog is more than just a pet. A loyal friend you'll never forget. With wagging tail and happy bark, they fill our days with joy and spark.
They greet us when we walk through the door. With love so pure, who could ask for more? Your eyes are kind, your hearts are true. No one's love queen like they do.
They run and play in the shining sun, always ready for endless fun. Through fields and park, they bound with glee. A better friend there'll never be. When we're sad, they sing to know. They sit beside us, calm as snow. A gentle nudge, a warm embrace. Their love can brighten any place.
At night, they were as close by your side. In their trust, we can confide. A dog's love lasts through thick and thin. A bond so strong, it comes from within. So, cherish them, our furry friends. Their love is a gift that never ends.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, Kuya.
So ngayon, si teacher ay may panibago siyang kwento. Ng aking kwento ay pinamagatang ang ginagawa ni Jasmine sa araw ng linggo. So bago yon, kailangan ang bawat isa ay makinig at tumahimik. At nang sa ganon, maintindihan ninyo ang bagong kwento ni teacher. So ang aking kwento ay pinamagatang ang ginagawa ni Jasmine sa araw ng linggo. So isang araw, dumating na ang linggo na kung saan sa kanyang paggising ni Jasmine ay siya na ay nagpipray. Pagkatapos niyang magpray ay siya na ay nagliligpit ng kanyang higaan. So pagkatapos nagpray at nagligpit ng higaan, si Jasmine ay pumunta na sa CR upang maligo. O naligo na si Jasmine, siya na ay nagpalit ng kanyang magandang damit. Pagkatapos noon ay masayang pumunta sa simbahan si Jasmine kasama ang kanyang nanay at ang tatay. Pumunta na sila sa simbahan. So anong ginagawa nila sa simbahan? Sila ay nagpipray, umaawit at nakikinig ng salita ni Jesus. So, pagkatapos nila sa simbahan, ay pumunta na ang family ni Jasmine sa park na kung saan sila ay masayang kumakain sa park. O sa park ay madami tayong nakikitang mga bata, mga naglalaro at mga nagtitinda ng mga laruan. O masayang kumakain kasama ang family ni Jasmine at nakikipaglaro din si Jasmine sa mga bata. O so isang sa park ay napakasayang lugar. So pagkatapos sa park ay umuwi na si Jasmine at ang kanyang mga magulang dahil ang gagawin naman nila ay maglilinis ng kanilang bahay. So naglinis ang nanay ni Jasmine sa kanilang bahay. Nang nakita ni Jasmine na naglilinis ang kanyang nanay, si Jasmine ay tinulungan niya ang kanyang nanay na maglinis. O sino dito yung tinutulungan niya ang kanyang nanay? O ano yung mga ginagawa niyong gawaing bahay? Naglalaba. Nagwawalis. O, tapos nakita din ni Jasmine ang kanyang tatay na nagdidilig ng halaman. So ano yung mga halaman kaya na tinanim ng tatay ni Jasmine? Gulay at mga prutas. O, talong, may sili, may kamatis. So, sa pagdidilig ng kanyang tatay, si Jasmine ay tinulungan niya ang kanyang tatay. Nagdilig si Jasmine kasama ang kanyang tatay. Pagkatapos maglinis sa kanilang tahanan, si Jasmine na ay nagpaalam. Nagpaalam siya na makipaglaro. Pinayagan ni nanay at ti tatay si Jasmine nakipaglaro kasi very good siya dahil tumulong siya sa mga gawaing bahay. Agad-agad na pumunta si Jasmine sa malawak na lupain na kung saan madaming bata na naglalaro. O, naglalaro sila ng tagu-taguan, naglalaro sila ng luksong baka, o sila ay masayang naghahabulan sa lupaing malawak. O, sino dito yung kapag hapon na ay nakikipaglaro sa mga kaibigan? O, ano yung mga nilalaro ninyo? Touching ball, touch ball, ano pa?
Badminton.
Sipa, badminton, o sibo. Ang lahat ng mga yon ay nilalaro ni Jasmine. O, nakita niya na ay medyo madilim na. Kaya siya na ay nagpaalam sa mga kaibigan niya at umuwi na si Jasmine. Sa kanyang pag-uwi ay nakita niya ang kanyang magulang na nag-ahanda ng kanilang pagkain para sa hapunan. So nakita niya ang kanyang nanay at tinulungan niya ito na maghanda ng pagkain para sa kanilang hapunan. Dumating na ang gabi at masayang kumain ang family ni Jasmine na habang sila ay nanonood ng TV. O sino dito yung nanonood ng TV habang kumakain? O di ba? Masayang nanonood ng TV at kumakain ang family ni Jasmine. Pagkatapos kumain ni Jasmine ay tinulungan niya ulit ang kanyang nanay na maghugas ng pinggan. So ngayon, pagkatapos maghugas ng pinggan ay pumunta na si Jasmine sa kanyang kwarto at para siya ay matulog. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung huli niyang ginawa sa araw ng Sunday? Ang huling ginawa ni Jasmine ay siya muna ay nanalangin bago siya ay natulog. So dito nagtatapos ang ating kwento na pinamagata ang ginagawa ni Jasmine sa araw ng Linggo.
Anna's favorite bracelet. Anna was a cheerful child who loves to play. But there was one special thing she always wears whenever she goes out. A favorite bracelet and yellow. This bracelet makes me happy and lucky, Anna told her friends. One day, on her way to school, Anna noticed that her bracelet was getting lost. Oh no! What should I do? I don't want to replace it, Anna said sadly. When she got home, she showed it to her best friend. Sarah, look at my bracelet, Anna said. Sarah replied, Anna, I think it's time to replace that bracelet. But
I don't want to, Sarah. This bracelet makes me happy. And you know how important to me, Anna answered. Sarah thought for a moment and smiled. How about this, Anna? Let's buy a new bracelet. But you can keep your old one as a memory. Anna smiled brightly. Really? I can still keep it? The next day, Anna went to the market to buy a new bracelet. She chose a one with blue and flowers beside. When she wore it, she noticed was prettier and more comfortable. She rushed home to go to show it to her friend Sarah. Sarah, I feel even luckier now. Anna claimed happily and as she played outside. That night, Anna replaced her own bracelet in a box along with her happy memories together with the person who gave the bracelet. Thank you for the bracelet, for the happy days. It's time to say goodbye, Anna said. From then on, Anna enjoyed her games and activities with... Ay, go lang? Natanggal na to, no? From then on, Anna enjoyed her games and activities with her new bracelet. She learned that even though some things need to be replaced, their memories will still remain in their heart. Moral of the story: children learn to value of treasuring all things while embracing change in a positive way.
Thanks for watching.